Good morning! Today is the day that I leave for Portugal. And he's pretty sad. You can see his little frown. I had packed everything into one carry-on suitcase and one backpack. And so I'm going to show you everything I packed today before I leave, which may or may not be a good idea because I've got a lot of things I need to do before I go. But I know that I've been talking a lot about this capsule wardrobe and trying to figure out what are the 1 week's worth of clothing that I could bring and feel like I have enough clothes. So I always overpack and end up only wearing 5 things anyway the whole time I am traveling. So yeah, let's have a great day. So let's start off by taking a look at what's inside my backpack. I have compression socks for a long plane ride, both of my cameras, a SanDisk hard drive, my MacBook, Kindle, blue light blocking glasses, a mini speaker for some music, chargers, cords, my Logitech C922 camera, I've got a notebook, my Hangul book for learning Korean, and these really awesome laundry detergent sheets. I saw someone else on YouTube with these and I thought it was the best idea ever, so I grabbed some of these. And then I have all my cosmetics. My skincare routine's gone a little out of hand, but oh well, and it all fits in my nifty North Face backpack. Next, my purse that fits inside of my backpack where I pack things I want easy access to at the airport. I have a wallet for my cash and then a separate wallet for credit cards that's RFID blocking, which I think it does something so you don't get your credit card number stolen, and then my passport, some sunglasses, a USB drive, a mini deodorant. Let me tell you, this is going to come in so much handy. I love Native, and then also some lip gloss and hand sanitizer from Trader Joe's. I highly recommend getting a bag like this where it can sling over your shoulder or also can be turned into a backpack. I think that's the best part of this, and it has a zipper in the back. Definitely recommend. Let's get into the good stuff. Clothing, shoes. I only brought 3 pairs. These white Puma sneakers that can be dressed up, my horrible dirty gym shoes, and these Reef sandals that are amazing for travel. Then for pants and shorts, I'm bringing this black pair. I get so many compliments on these. People love them. I also am bringing this blue pair. Not as many compliments, but I like them a lot. Then this knit pair of pants. Okay, get out of here. That also has a matching top that comes with it. I have a white pair of sweatpants that also has a white sweatshirt that goes with it. Black yoga pants. Gotta give Manny a little scratch. And then 2 pairs of black yoga shorts. I live in these. My favorite, a pleather skirt. Where are my skirt people at? Yes. Jackets and sweaters. I have this brown pleather jacket I love. Then a black bomber jacket and a black sweater. And then a white hoodie and a black hoodie because it'll be a little bit cold in Portugal. On to tops. A black t-shirt, can't go wrong with these. A tan knit tank top, that's the one that goes with the matching pants. A white tank top and a black tank top. And then a corset top for going out or nicer occasions. I love this so much. I got it from Abercrombie. 10 out of 10 recommend. A nicer crop tank that has matching shorts. I like this style right now a lot, and you can put it with different jackets. A black workout top. I love the stripe down the side, and a white workout top that can be also dressed up or down. For dresses, I just brought one knit dress. I picked this one because it can be both dressed up and dressed down, and it's super comfy and doesn't wrinkle. For PJs, I just brought 1 pair. Ding, 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 ding. Please enjoy this short intermission with packing tips from my mother.
I think you could just pack it.
What do you mean? You think they're too tight?
No, I mean, they're so little. I mean, you could bring 10 and it'd be the... Fine.
You think I should bring all of these?
Yeah.
I guess. For hats, I brought 1 black workout hat and then 1 nicer knit hat. I think they're called newsboy hats. For swimsuits, I brought 1 swimsuit for surfing and then 1 swimsuit for the beach. Bras, socks, and underwear. Oh my, I brought 3 bras, 2 of which are here, and the others I will not show you. Get out of here, but make sure you pack all the necessities. Let's put some things together. I tried to pick things that were as neutral as possible so I could easily put all the different clothes I brought together and mix and match to make loads of different outfits, so I don't feel like I'm always re-wearing the same things every single day, even if I am re-wearing a lot of things all the time. It's an illusion. Essentially, you're wanting to pack about 1 week's worth of clothes, and I promise you that is going to be great for a couple months. You'll still wear the same 3 things all the time. Also, please give this video a like if you feel like Manny's been giving off some main energy vibes. Now let's pack everything up. I want to share with you some tips for traveling light for longer term travel. Small packing cubes for electronics are super helpful. In my quest to find the perfect backpack and ending up with this same backpack I've had for like 5 years, I realized you want something that is expandable. Pro tip, attach your gym shoes outside of your bag using a carabiner, and then for all your bulkiest items, put them in a compression bag to save loads of space. I also bought really nice compression packing cubes on Amazon that I've loved, and I will link everything that I'm using that I can link down in the description box below. Something I did for the first time this trip is buy bar shampoo and conditioner. They last forever and it saves you so much space and weight. I also recommend packing some liquid IV or something to hydrate yourself on the plane and wearing your bulkiest items on the plane as well. Alright, I got the scale. Let's see how much this puppy weighs. Okay, wait, first I gotta weigh myself. So let's see. Alright, 129 pounds. Alright. Now I've got to grab my bag. Let's see, can I do math? Oh, but I can't see it now. Oh no. Okay, what does it say there? 157 pounds. So let's say it's 130, 30, 40, 50, so it's like 28 pounds. And all my luggage together, has to be under 25 pounds. And that's not including my backpack. If they weigh my bag, I have to check it. Fingers crossed. Let's go to Portugal. I first had to say goodbye to my mom. Goodbyes are always so hard for us. And then my dad took me to the airport. He helped me film an ad for Flipstick, and I drove there so we didn't have to drive both ways because it's a little far. We said our sad goodbyes, and then I got some client work done at the airport before waiting to go downstairs and board my flight to Paris. I always wait to be like the last on the plane if I don't have a carry-on suitcase, which I don't because I took it, so we got time.
Once again, this is the final boarding call for Air France Flight 85 to Paris Charles. Once again, Air France Flight 85.
This is Victoria. We talked for the first 3 hours. New friends. Yay friends. Yay friends. Just landed. Bye. So good to meet you too. Seriously so. Oh yeah, lipstick. I had about a 4-hour layover in Paris, so I freshened up, I walked around, and then I boarded my next flight to Lisbon. So I don't remember booking an exit row, but I'm in an exit row, so that's exciting. This flight is like just a couple hours and then we're in Lisbon. Well, my luggage doesn't come out. And looking pretty bare bones right now, so let's say a little prayer. Eat. Update, the luggage has been lost. This is Caillou. Hello.
Hello, how are you?
My bag is lost.
Exactly. I'm getting it.
Coming tomorrow.
Tomorrow most likely should be on your address in your cell, I think.
Okay. Good morning. I made it to Ericeira. I'm saying it wrong still. No Portuguese people so far have understood me trying to say the name of the town, but I'll get it by the time I leave. So my bag's still not here. I'm wearing the same clothes that I was wearing at the airport. Gross. But look at this view. Look at that. Eek. I hope my minimalist travel capsule was helpful for you. I'm loving Portugal so far. I've met amazing people. I will leave you with this wondrous full rainbow that I saw the other day in my run. Have a great day. Give this video a like and be sure to subscribe and check out my other vlogs.